Alright YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and I'm in the chat section, so let's take a look at this image right here. Want to be dominated, will dominate you, will ask you to be gentle, noob, will kill you. It's a very interesting image here, but yeah, today I'm gonna react to your renders, and okay, like I said, I'm going to be consistent with videos, so at the very least I'm going to aim for one video every single day. So yeah, if you guys are looking forward to tutorials, don't worry about the variety of content, because I know some people want some more tutorials and some enjoy these reaction videos more, so don't worry about that. I will get to as many as I can, and yeah, I'm also going to experiment with more creative video ideas as well, so stay tuned for that. But for today I'm going to react to these renders here, so yeah, let's get to it. The first one we have here is from Yannick, and this is a core render. Obviously everything is too bright, the exposure or the whites, and then the shadows here are too dark, so it gives this really weird, overly contrasted image right here. So alright, so I'm gonna try to fix this a little bit. So if we go into camera raw filter and see what we could do, let's see. Okay, so if we turn contrast down, you see the immediate change. Alright, if we can turn this all the way down, you see the details start to come back a little bit. Turn the highlights down as well, something like that, and then shadows we turn up. You see the details start to come back, right? Okay, whites down as well. Look at that. That is a change. And bring texture up and clarity. Look at that. That's magical. You don't want this too high. Alright, I think this is good. So look at the before and after. That is a huge change, and we could do even more, and we could make this even better. I enjoy fixing these renders, but some people don't like me spending too much time doing this. But I like doing this, so I don't know, I enjoy it. Alright, let's see what other filters we could possibly add. I like this filter here, it seems appropriate, so let's go ahead and add this. Oops, that's terrible. And then we could just brush away some areas. That sounds really bad. Alright, look at that. Obviously we gotta fix this little area. Okay, there we go. Let's go soft light. You see that? That's cool. What else can we do? Let's check it out. Let me try this on soft light. Rock blues. This is pretty cool, I like this. This right here. Okay, I'm also gonna fix this little light here. I don't really like this so much. Okay, that's cool. I mean we could add smoke, but I'm kinda too lazy for that. Let's just wrap this up so we don't spend all of our time doing this. Let's go ahead and add the final touches right here. Okay, I like that. That's cool. Contrast, we add some. The whites can be here. Now if you guys take a look at the before and after, yeah. Let's get back into reacting. Alright, so here we are, we're back. This is a render, kinda creepy, but it's pretty good. Okay, some weird pictures here. Miniature. This little selection toolbox thing, floating. Oh, look at this, abandoned car. This is very detailed, like it a lot. Finish this thumbnail for SCPF. This is also cool, black and white. This reminds me of Operation Scorpion and Phantom Forces. I like the helmet, it's really nice. Okay, a guy standing in the middle of a forest, super nice. Reference helmets, multiverse. We got Thanos or Thanos. I don't know how you guys prefer to pronounce it. You can leave a comment if you want to. Rocks, beautiful stuff right here. Although the blur looks kind of glitchy, I don't know, but I like it either way. A thumbnail commission for a car wash. It's the first time I've seen the car wash artwork, but it's nice. 19, I feel old. Thanks everyone. Happy birthday to Sack. You guys can reply and wish him a happy birthday. Rate, I give this a 100 out of 10. Very nice. Oh, this is quite unique with the angle. You got a hostage right here. The background is quite detailed. The only thing it lacks is shadows. I mean, okay, obviously the light is coming from here, but I don't know, the feet just looks like it's kind of floating. I don't know. This, a campfire, very cool. Pepsi dog. Yo, how can I improve? The whole thing is kind of orange. Are things supposed to be on fire? The details kind of washed out here. I mean, I could also kind of fix this. You can just use this little tool. It's very useful if you guys have not figured by now. You can see the immediate changes this can make to your scene, right? And just by doing something like this, you know? It's very simple. And to go further, I mean, look at that. That's a huge change. But yeah, anyways, I think that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, comment down below. Yeah, your words really matter, and I appreciate any positive feedback, and of course I appreciate constructive feedback as well. So yeah, I appreciate all you guys, and I will see you guys next time.